today. I'm going to pretend driver, guys. Guys, I'm going to pretend. Where's the wheel? Guys, I'm going to pretend. Where's the wheel? But I have no wheels. Guys. Guys, I'm going to pretend that driver. Guys, this is our customer. I'm going to pretend that a driver. Guys. Hey, what? You go it. Okay, I'm going. Please. Hey, what do you want? Hey, where do we go? Oh, I want to go in. I want to go in I'm going in the mall. Okay. Serious, this is the mall. Bye guys! Don't forget like and share and subscribe. Please don't forget like and share and subscribe guys. Bye guys!